Morning, guys. It is March 1st, 2024. This one here I gotta go by kind of a relative of mine. They got an issue with a toilet handle sticking. And I might be able to take it apart and give it a little lube and put it back together, I'm thinking, because it's one of these special, it's not a chrome handle, it's one of these special finishes on the handle. So that's what I'm hoping to do, is be able to give it a little, squirt a little lube in there, and this way here it's not binding. Some kind of nickel finish on it or something.
Take a sharp left turn on Beagle Road, then take the first left.
Hopefully I can fix it for the guy. I know he's tighter than 2 coats of paint, so he ain't gonna want to. I know I don't have the chrome nickel in the truck handles. I probably have a regular chrome one to put in there, but not chrome nickel. Anyway, we're gonna see what we could do. Hopefully we could. What do we got going on here? And working. Alright. Yeah, it's definitely binding, huh? Well, maybe we could take it apart and it seems like it's binding a little bit there. Oh, breaking the thing. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Let me get some tools. Need a little lube. That's what I'm hoping. Maybe give it a little squirt in there and give it a little lube job.
That's what she said.
Huh? Yeah. Give her a little lube. Let's see if I can. Dropping all kinds of shit in here. Definitely fetching up, huh? Yeah. It sticks. That's weird. Whoa! I gotta go to the heart doctor today.
You do?
Yeah.
I go to my hot doctor on Monday.
I'd like to just to be able to take this apart.
Who's your cardiologist?
Yeah, some camel slapper.
Is he in Fall River?
No, he's in it's just weird. See how it's sticking? I'd like to be able to get that part off of there. I think it's almost like it needs a... Let me get some more of my tools. I was trying not to bring all my big toolkit in.
From Pakistan.
Well, maybe he's from over there, India, or one of them areas, you know? Yeah. And he's a good doctor, but he's always canceling on me. He's always, seems like every time I got an appointment, they cancel and reschedule.
Well, of course, because
Which is kind of weird.
their lifestyle is more important than yours, so.
I don't know what the deal is, but boy, that thing is, I might have to cut this off and get a different type of unit in there. I don't know.
Did you see Molly out there?
Flipping things dry. Needs a little lube in there. be able to get that off of there if I could.
I was playing the Mad Diner for Sandy the other day.
You were what?
Playing the Mad Diner video.
Oh, you were? This thing's tighter than the Mad Diner. She was tighter than 2 coats of paint there. That one. Don't want to break nothing. Seems like it's awful flipping. That thing was really on there, man. Wow. See how it's kind of... It's a nice unit, but it's just kind of weird. The Mad Diner, yeah. See, we could get it apart and just give it a little lube job. See, this comes right out, right?
Yeah.
We'll give it a little. It's just getting all kinds of jism on there.
What's that? Well water.
I don't know. Give it a little. How you doing? Tighter than 2 coats of paint here. There we go. Little lube, huh? See it?
Oh yeah, look at that.
And it does have a little. It has a little spot where it only allows it go so much there. Alright, so I took it apart and we gave it a little.
So would you use that?
Right.
Some of that KY jelly on there?
No, this is that K-Royal shit that they have for automotive. Comes in like an orange can. Look at that, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's better. So obviously we just gotta, pick up the stuff I had to spray and.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
But that's better now. So you just needed a little lube job. Sometimes you need a little lube. Huh? As they get older, sometimes they need a little lube. Huh?
Oh yeah. I know that feeling.
There you go. Slick. There you go. Kind of weird the way this is. It is what it is. Alright, put the cover back on and be ready to go. He's a bad influence on me,
Yeah, that's the scene the way that works. I can't wait
What is
to
it?
get shit now.
It's all set.